AMC, guys, is getting near a breakout zone, an all-time high, a new high. We might do today around the $2.60 because today is up almost 2%. The opposite from the market action because the market is kind of red, but AMC is still going up. GameStop, we got first signaling for a breakout from this bearish channel here, and we got the first sign for a breakout and bullish reversal like what happened back in the last month, if you remember, guys. On Friday, once we reverse and we got the first signal for a breakout here around the 26th of June. So we have to discuss the price action for AMC and GameStop. But before we go further, remember our content always verification and purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update on our Discord and Patreon for the stocks that squeeze and the stock that have earnings. Last one we discussed was of course, we got Bayer that squeezed today at the pre-market and market open. We got, of course, LVWR that squeezed from this flag. We got a lot of stock that jumped. So before, let's go and discuss GameStop, guys, because GameStop, we got the first sign of squeeze around the 21.73. The major level is still around the 23.68. But the good thing that we did is now is holding over the 2087. This is the third hold up because the first it was around the earnings in the beginning of June. The second was around the end of June, and now at the end of July, we got the first sign of reversal. So now what we should confirm is continue this buying pressure toward the 2377 to squeeze that. If we didn't, it means we're still not ready yet. We accumulate until we got some good news to squeeze toward the 26 and 30. For AMC, on the other hand, the same, we need to hold right now over the $2.29 where the market maker bought last time. And of course, breaking the 260, which is the level that we got flush at after we got the news of offering and the price flushed. If you remember back on the Monday, 22nd of June, where we squeezed down almost 14%. And now, technically, after the good revenue that we got back in the 20th of July, we got a reversal, big reversal, guys, not normal reversal, over 30%. And before that, we kind of reversed before the earnings, almost 60%. So this is a huge jump. We're missing just a little bit more to squeeze around the $3. So we're missing just almost 20% to squeeze, guys, and confirming the squeeze toward the $4 level. So the $4, we might have it before the end of this week or the end of this month and go toward the main level target around the $5.55. And this is 100% plus for AMC, but I expect at least testing the $3 and maybe the $4 before the end of this month. As long as we break the 260 by today, will be a really good sign that the market makers start to buy AMC again. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are we gonna have the $3 for this week or even the $4 before the end of this month?